Healthy weekly lunch, Friday. Chicken and vegetable soup with rice noodles. There are many advantages to having chicken and vegetable soup with rice noodles for lunch. Balanced nutrition. Soup combines protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates in one meal, providing nutritional balance. Also, vegetables add vitamins, minerals, and fiber to the food. Low calorie. A chicken and vegetable soup is a low-calorie option, making it ideal for those trying to watch their calorie intake. High in protein. Chicken is a good source of protein, which is important for maintaining and repairing muscles and body tissues. Increase your vegetable intake. Choosing soup as a lunch option increases your vegetable intake, which can improve overall health. Easy on the go. Soups are easy to pack and prepare, making them ideal for those who work outside the home and don't have time to cook. Health benefits. Rice noodles are a healthy option to add to lunch, as they are low in calories and rich in fiber and protein. Immune support. Chicken soup is a food traditionally known for its ability to strengthen the immune system and alleviate cold and flu symptoms. Easy to customize. Different vegetables and spices can be added to the soup to vary the flavor and keep it interesting. If you think this video may be useful for some people you know, feel free to share it. Thanks for following us. See you in the next video.